Every single fire alarm system starts out as something called a protected premise. Once we have off-site communication to a monitoring station, the type of fire alarm system is going to change. Let's take 2 minutes to learn about the most commonly installed type, remote station. So as I mentioned, there are different types of fire alarm systems as it pertains to the monitoring. You have your central station fire alarm systems, proprietary station, and remote station fire alarm systems. Also, within Chapter 26, we find out the information about the communication methods of these systems. Remote stations are going to be the most commonly installed type of fire alarm system. What a remote station does is it sends signals from the protected premise off-site to a constantly monitored location. There are not too many other all-important requirements that need to be met after this has occurred. What we do see is the installation has to meet the requirements of 72, and inspection of said system is going to comply with whatever the local AHJ wants. But that's it, no extra requirements. Now we have activation of our remote station fire alarm from the initiating devices out in the field, sends its signal back to the panel, which then it will initiate the notification circuit. As this is all happening, signal is also sent off-site to the supervising station so that the supervising station can, in most instances, get the trucks rolling in order to fight the fire. Now, there are certain things that we do see with a remote station fire alarm system. Remote station must identify the service company, whoever's doing monitoring. Documentation may be an affidavit signed by that service provider. A document from a listed agency or service provider is permitted. Sometimes we do see a listed monitoring company being the monitoring company for a remote station, but there are not anything else that makes it outside of that more of a station than a remote station. Other documentation may be acceptable by or to the AHJ, but not necessary.